I'm an artist. We make paintings, wall murals and sculptures. We are based out of Cochin, Kerala.
Hi, I am Prem Kumar Mawat. I am a banker by profession.
What we feel when we are in public, reactions have been different. We have been, when we get noticed too much, we feel a little awkward. But otherwise, I've not felt anything to talk.
No, in fact, I was the one who always wanted to get married to a twins. That's why I was pushing my brother also when this proposal came in. Just to enjoy this particular moment when how people react. That was somehow when we decided to get married. That was the thinking, which was actually came when we go out and meet people. So,
but one thing is, we both are now in different cities. So when we come for vacation and when we go for some functions, then it's really happy to see. People are really excited to see all of us together, and especially kids also are similar. So it's really always a beautiful feeling to be together in public.
It's always interesting to be in this life when a lot of people, look at you slightly differently. I would say, because of the similarity. It's always funny sometimes when my colleagues treats him like me. Misunderstand, and then they'll go and pat on the back, or they'll just push him maybe at the railway station. There are a lot of incidents like that actually happen, and it's actually a blessing in a way where you can actually share and speak about a lot of things where the other person also thinks almost in the similar way. But now, it's very interesting life, and we got twins as a partner, which is even more exciting in that way. Yeah.
For me, I would say we've been similar in thoughts and physical look. I would say we have differed as became a mother. I'm much fatter compared to my sister. The complexion and all have changed, but physical difference are there. But the way we think is still the same. And I've experienced a lot of people saying that if somebody is meeting me for the first time, the questions or the things which I ask, probably always it has been similar set of questions my sister asked when it meets somebody. So there are a lot of similarities. It still continues, and I would say compared to them, probably our bond is much stronger. Doing a marriage, right? Because we had a marriage in Guruvayur temple. So first marriage happened between my sister and his brother. So we had similar clothes. So me and my sister had same clothes and mostly same jewelry. And Ram and Prem were also dressed up in the same attire. So first their marriage happened, then they came back and we walked in. So people looking around, they said, why these couples taking marriage again and again? Then it was really funny to see us outside and all four of us.
In fact, a couple of foreigners were also witnessing the Indian marriages in that temple, and they were talking to each other. These guys just got married and they're getting married again.
Yeah.
Is this a new
that is
ritual?
Funniest thing that happened till now, I would say.
It actually doubled when you got married, because two other ladies, look-alike, joined the family. So that was very exciting, and we could see the reactions, very, very surprised reactions from people when you walk on the street or when you go to a movie hall. People get excited the moment they see the first couple. They're okay. They just look at you. But the moment this, say for example, me and Gopika, walks in, and they've already seen Prem and Gayatri, then that's when the real reaction comes, right? What do you think?
Yeah. And I still remember when we went to a mall, we were not dressed similar, but a couple, a parent was walking, an old aged couple, right? They were walking by, and they happened to see me and we both, and our kids were also there. Then they happened to see my sister and her husband walking by, and we could see their reaction. They turned back and looked at us. So it's always been wonderful to see people getting surprised.
It's really funny also sometimes, but most importantly, all these reactions followed with a big, smile.
Smile, yeah.
So that actually makes your day when you walk in. So you actually get to, you actually think about the big stars, the kind of attention that they get.
So we have always felt like
sometimes,
celebrities, no,
yeah.
when we walk together.
Yeah, sometimes, yeah, that's true.
I don't think so that we have taken any advantage during our childhood or maybe in teenage, but neither after marriage also. So what you say? Have you taken any?
Not exactly, but I have not done intentionally, but has happened several times wherein, but it's positive for me because I have walked into an office wherein one lady walked in and she was, very happy to meet me, and because Kopika is a wonderful artist, even I am, but I consider her as much talented than me. So once a lady walked in and she said, and she was introducing me to a lot of people out there, saying that she's a fantabulous artist and you should meet and see her works. I was feeling so elated. Then, because I don't know her personally, so I said maybe you're mistaken for Gopika, but I love to hear that. So it is, I wouldn't say I've taken advantage unknowingly. I get a lot of fame being her sister. So that is, yes, part of it. Advantages, twins? No, I've never taken any advantage being a twin. No.
Me neither. So we've not taken advantage in that way. But most of the time we were always together, right? So while growing up, in school and college, we were always together. So even people call us, not just by my name like Ram. Instead, they'll say Ram and Prem. So Ram Prem is my name and Ram Prem is his name also. So we were always together. So we didn't get much of a opportunity to kind of take an advantage of the situation because we were always together and most of the people knows us. So we've actually not done that.
The movie to relate to, I can say Hindi movie Chalbaz, in which Sridevi has played a double role. Not exactly, but yes, I'm an extrovert, I talk a lot. My sister is an introvert. So in that way, I can say it is, anything you can think of similar? He's not a movie buff, so he didn't have. It relate to the movie Judwa, right?
Yeah,
kind of.
right.
But as shown in the movie, it's not like that somebody moves their hand and another person moves no. It's not like that. But emotionally, yes. If my twin is in some emotional, whether she's happy or sad, I come to know. I would say compared to Ram and Prem, me and my sister is more into that connect probably.
अच्छा फील था कि ना सब लोग हमें नोटिस कर रहे हैं और हमेशा ऐसा फील हुआ है ना जब हम एक छोटे बच्चे के सामने जा रहे हैं ठीक है छोटा सा बच्चा भी वो हम दोनों को देख रहे हैं उन लोगों का एक्सप्रेशन देखना ना इट्स ब्यूटीफुल टू सी
उनको बड़ा फिल्मी लगता है ऐसा लगता है अरे ये क्या है कुछ
वो लोग ना सरप्राइज हो जाते हैं कि ये क्या है या यहाँ पे भी जैसे ना यहाँ पे देखो हम हमेशा ऐसा भी हुआ है कि ना हमारे गेस्चर्स भी एक बार ऐसा हुआ कि ना वी वर सिटिंग इन अ बस जब कॉलेज में जा रहे थे तो my sister was sitting some other place and I was also sitting just opposite to her. तो कोई lady was looking at my sister तो उसका gesture मैं ऐसे कर रही थी तो उसी टाइम पे मैं भी doing the same gesture. So she got really confused. ये क्या हो गया?
Researched a bit. I mean, I'm talking about 11 years back. 11 साल पहले in our area it was only in Kerala around 250 twins couples were there and we were one among those.
Okay.
250.
Okay.
Twins तो बहुत जुड़वे तो बहुत सारे हैं but twins getting married to twins was not that common.
Yes, definitely. That's why we have a unique story over here.
I still remember the second delivery. हम लोगों ने admit करे C-section सोचा था ना कि next day C-section हो रहा है ना हम लोगों ने admit किया तो हमारे जो rooms लिए थे वो आजू-बाजू में लिया तो and we still remember कि आई थी वो झाड़ू पोछा करने के लिए she came to my sister's room first तो झाड़ू पोछा किया she came to my room तो हम लोगों ने एक जैसे जो नाइट ड्रेस पहने थे एक जैसे पहने थे और ये दोनों भी एक जैसे दिख रहे थे तो दीदी हमारे रूम में आए तो then she was like confused क्या हो गया मैं फिर से दोबारा वही कमरे में आ गई क्या तो हमने बोला नहीं दीदी आप दूसरे कमरे में आए हो वहाँ पे मेरे जुड़वा बहन है, तो वो भैया लोग भी, हाँ भैया लोग भी जुड़े हैं। फिर उसके वो दीदी जाके किसी से बताया, एंड whoever comes for the visit, like doctors हो या nurse लोग हो, सब लोग ना they made a point to visit us. So उसका ना it was a talk of the hospital, we'll say that, no. Everybody was coming to see, you know, twins giving birth on the same day, and we still remember even in the labor room, I was taken first. So after my baby was born, it was like epidural, like I was half conscious. I was once I gave birth to the baby, I could the same doctor went to the next theater. She was ready for the delivery. The doctor went there, and after that doctor, I could hear she giving birth to her kid. So it was beautiful experience. We had that labor also together.
So, ऐसा होता है कि जैसे ऑपरेशन थिएटर के बाहर जो खड़ा होता है फैमिली के साथ, उसमें सिर्फ एक बंदा थोड़ा टेंशन ज्यादा होगा उसका, वो बच्चे का बाप होगा बेसिकली।
Yeah, true.
यहाँ पे दो लोग टेंशन में थे, मैं और मेरा भाई। So everybody is looking at saying ये दो लोग टेंशन में क्यों हैं? Because they were not expecting that two sisters are inside, right?
Yeah.
So finally, the nurse took my little one and came in, and we also wanted to know which C-section was done first. कौन सा किया था पहले, हमें बताया नहीं था. It was doctor's call saying, doctors will decide. तो हमें पता नहीं था कौन सा था. So we were waiting. Nurse took the kid and came out, and we wanted to ask, saying ये किसका बच्चा है? By the time nurse ने बोला ये गोपिका का husband कौन है? Then I raised my hand saying, yeah, I'm the one. Second delivery was like very funny. So I took my mother-in-law को मैंने shopping के लिए गया था before admitting to the hospital. So we wanted to create a small basket of the essentials in it, bedside पे रखना था. So we went and bought everything 2 items, including small Nescafe का small thing, एक छोटा डब्बे में sugar. Everything was like duplicated. Everything was duplicated. Even the medical prescription comes with the same medicine. The bill amount also almost similar only. Gayatri took an additional medicine or something. Uska zyada aaya.
Okay.
Otherwise, everything was the same. So when we paid the bill, I paid the bill first. Then he went and paid it. So we always do that. I mean, तुम अपना काम करो, मैं अपना संभालूंगा types.
Okay.
ये बिल अभी पे हो चुका है because the amount is almost similar. Then said ये रूम नंबर अलग है, थोड़ा देख लो.
क्योंकि उन लोगों को भी कंफ्यूजन होता है, सेम बंदा आके फिर से पे कर रहा है. That is what they thought.
लेकिन उनको अभी तक याद है कि गायत्री का बिल थोड़ा सा ज्यादा था. हाँ, सी कितना माइन्यूट चीज अभी तक याद है. ओहो, वाओ. And you are working with?
But that I work for a telecom company.
Okay.
Yeah, so
that's why billing thing is very important to be taken care.
Yeah, billing. I mean, we hardly get to bill. That's a different case.
Yeah.
So these are the small differences which happens in our life. Otherwise, rest everything is the same. See, I'm able to remember that there is a small difference in the amount.
Yeah.
So differences हमारे जिंदगी में it gives you a lot of pleasure. I mean, at least personally speaking, मुझे तो बहुत खुशी आ रहा है कि मुझे कोई difference. So if you look at our appearance also right now, I have a beard and it's like I'm really enjoying this. Look.
The uniqueness.
ब्रदर के लाइफ में होता है लाइक प्रोफेशनल लाइक प्रमोशन मिला, जो भी मिला है, वो सारा न्यूज़ मैं अपने बीवी से सुनता हूँ rather than my brother is telling me.
Okay.
वो इमीडिएटली उसके वाइफ को बोलता है, तो वो उसके सिस्टर को बोलता है. जब मैं वाइफ को फोन करने वाला हूँ तब तक मेरा ब्रदर बोला होगा मुझे 2 घंटे में. शाम में वाइफ को बोलता हूँ, राम गॉट प्रमोटेड. या आई केम टू नो 10 o'clock in the morning.
Okay.
Yes, I enjoy being twin because it's a beautiful feeling to have a person exactly like you. And we two are different personalities, but the thought process is same. And it's a beautiful, it's already always said that there are 7 people who resembles like you. I've found one for sure. So, and plus being husbands, also that we can talk much better about it. But the bonding wise, if we talk about is, I'm very much connected to my sister. So it affects our life at times also when she goes through any ups and downs. It distracts me as well. Same with her also. So bonding is much closer in our case, and it's good and bad at times.
And it's actually a blessing in a way where you can actually share and speak about a lot of things where the other person also thinks in almost in a similar way.
So it's always been wonderful to see people getting surprised.
It's really funny also sometimes, but most importantly, all these reactions followed with a big smile.
Yeah.
So that actually makes your day when you walk in. So you actually get to you actually think about the big stars, the kind of attention that they get.
So we have always felt like
sometimes,
celebrities,
yeah.
when we walk together.
Yeah, sometimes, yeah.